Let's eat. Good morning, Sir Fred. Come on, let's eat. Squid. Thank you sa likes.
Ay, nakalag.
The bully man is here. Hi. The bully man. Hi, bully man. But I can't bully today. It's fine. Eat po. Let's eat. So sorry to hear, Cheryl. No worries. A part of life. Part of life po. Someone to something like that. Something like that, yes. Hi, super. Here, super. Hi, he said. Thank you, 19 people. Ah, that's good. Got electrician coming tomorrow. That's good po. You're doing live today, Sir Fred? That guy coming today to start stress today also. Ah, okay po. I'm hoping to do a live stream today. Ah, okay. Depends. It depends if I need to help them on research. Ah, okay po. Hello from Turkey. Hi from Turkey. Hubby sleeping again. Maybe he resting, something like that. We talked earlier, my hubby. You look very innocent. Is there a reason for this? Oh my God. Maybe just looking. Don't believe the outside. Hello, Cheryl. I'm the second like so far. Glad to see you're eating and much better. I love you, my love. I'm teeny tiny now. That's why I need to show him how innocent is. What the fuck? Oh yeah. Konhisar. You look. How old are me? Wait. I'm getting, soon I'm expired. She is 18 years old. I would have been first, but was in CR. Thank you, my love.
Siya, di kita. Pwede
Di ba yung joke? Bulong yun ni Papa.
Igala pa nung malamig.
Hi, Sir Jeff. Hi, Fred from Sir Jeff. Yes, Mike, it's hard to post that shit out. She's my niece.
Hello!
Sir Fred, she's my niece. Sir Jeff, Sir Fred.
Pero may kapatid na nagda-live.
Nag-stop muna ako sa nag-ano si Papa kay di ako nakapokus kay mixed emotion, di ako makakonsentrate.
Ano, may iisip ka?
Tapos ang emotion mo, parang
Mix.
tapos yung kakarawang ka doon, nakilaw-gawang ka tapos mabig.
Oo, ano
May
ba?
nagdadaanan ka. Ang pangit si Balang.
Maganda mo kaya.
Hindi ko kaya. Hello, niece. Yes, yes, my niece. I'm getting ready to go to store. Was out Saturday and 3 stores. But each time forgot bread. Oh my God, yes. Philippines is from the land of Philippines. Good morning, Sir Ricky Bautista. Write down your old you forgot easy. Yes, I need to I'm wait lang. I need to write down my how about I mean wait. I was telling my to write it down, not you. Oh my God. Okay. What the fuck? Sorry. Oh my God, sorry. I thought I thought me. My goodness. Wow, you're 45. 45 and I'm still. What about yours? You can't be 45 years old, lol. So what if I'm 45? Yes, I'm 45 years old. So that's why I'm not look innocent, but I'm not. So this is called don't judge the book by its cover. As usual, she looked like a young woman. Hi, how are you? You it's a few years from your birthday already. Yes po. What are you learning? Ah,
May banana dito, J-Lo. Gusto mo?
Nana.
J-Lo!
Tao po.
Hi, sir. Hi, Sir Mark.
Sagulong po, busy po.
Thank you, Sir Mark. Head up. Sige, kaon na. Dagang nang kaon na, nagkakaraw, mawarada.
Maarap ko na ano?
Paraga na magkao.
Tayo mo yun siya.
How are you doing there? Eating banana. Kita pipilitin. Fred, you forgot more than me, but I had bread on my for my list, but got distracted each time forgetting the damn bread. We'll need to go now. One of the workers arrive. Okay, no comment, Mike from server. Thank you everyone for joining. Just um, thank you, Sir Fred, for joining. Thank you, my love. Thank you, Sir Mark. What else? Thank Kuhizar. Thank you for the likes. Who are you? Sir Jel. You're welcome, my love. What the fuck? Kain! Take a run. Take care of your family now, yes. I need to end the live. Thank you for joining.